is your Queen Mommy. Welcome to Queen Mommy with Queen Mommy Life Hacks. Today I had the traditional attire shoot, and I was having this type of makeup and hairstyle. It's been from morning to night almost. So this is how I ended up. I visited a event and everything. So today why I'm here with this look means lot of people ask no makeup look after that video. People ask starting how to remove the makeup, how to do that kajal and eyeliner, because they stay for next day also. There will be black marks on the eyes, and the lipstick also these days waterproof lipsticks are there, so they are also staying strong. So even though we are using the remover, it causes the different side effects for the skin. So what we should do, that's what I got a lot of questions, so I thought we'll work on that today. I'm gonna show my night care routine today, and the products people ask what type of products for eye makeup I usually use. So I'm gonna share eye makeups and the lipsticks also, a couple of them. It's gonna be helpful for you guys. They are reasonable price and they are very amazingly durable. I'm just loving them. So yes, I'm using them. So let me start with the beauty products. Then I will show you how to remove this makeup. Okay, I have a very simple makeup right now. It's not too much. Now I'm gonna start with mascara. So ta-da! I use Huda Beauty. This is I usually don't like the artificial fake eyelashes. It's my personal opinion, but they look beautiful on others. So this one gives a really nice thick coat. If you see, it's a length one, and there is a curly and length both. They have a two volume. It says volume here, if you guys can see, and it have a curl and length. So this product is really amazing. It's a little expensive, but it really works tremendously great for me. I never use fake eyelashes at all by using them, because it creates the one. So why should I use one, right? So I just love this product. If you guys want to buy, I can drop you a link in description box. You guys can check out. That's from Amazon. I bought it, and wherever Huda Beauty products you will get it, you can buy that one from there too. The next one, let me show you the eyeliner one. This is eyeliner pens. I usually get two. Right now, I don't know. I need to search for other one. This is for a left wing. This advantage is, this is a tip. If you see, you can just do lining like this. And the other part is magic. See the wing. If you don't know how to draw a wing, there you guys go. Immediately just like that. Yeah, there you go, right? That's super cool one. So I'd have a 2-in-1 pens, and in a box you will get right eye and left eye both. This is from the Pure. If you guys can see, it's from Pure. So this is the product. If you guys want, I'm going to drop this product link also in the description box. Yes, mostly I use this type of products only, and depending on according to my occasion or event, I do a little more makeup or less makeup or no makeup look. All depends on that. So, and this is for my brows. This is, I use a brown color L'Oreal one. This is a micro ink pen. If you can see, yeah, this one have this type of a tip, so it draws like a line. So you can see, right? This type of lines it will draw, if you can see properly, this way. So the way hair grows, you can. This video is not for a promotional, guys. It's only the products I'm using currently. I'm just showing you guys, because a lot of people reached out to me to show the products which I'm using, and I'm sharing it here today. So these products I'm using right now currently, and I'm feeling good with these products. I don't have any problems or anything with this. So these are the products I'm just sharing with you guys. So hope you guys also can feel useful about the products. And I'm not a professional makeup artist. I just do by own whichever I feel suits for that costume or that event. So these are the things I'm using, and as I said, I'm gonna show a couple of lipsticks that I use everyday basis. So one favorite of mine is I'm going to share three different brands. One is the Milani. This is the purple pinkish shade look. I always like this. It's really cool and good. If you guys see, I almost like this much only because I really like this one. Look at the shade. It perfectly matches for the brown skin. I feel so. This is Milani 01. If you guys want to check out, you guys can check out this one. That's one lipstick, and one more is Clinique Mary. This is or it's not an orange color, it's kind of a burgundy red. I don't know how much you guys can see. It's a little not a brighter red, it's a little darkish red. This comes with a bunch of 4 to 5 colors in a box. So in this box you usually get this Clinique Mary one. You will get 5 different colors, but I only used 2 of them. They are really cool. One is this burgundy one, and one more is the pinkish one, pink. So for all type of Indian attires, it will be really good of them. And one more, my favorite is Revlon Pranic. That's the matte ones. These days I'm really in love with the matte ones. Hope everyone will love that. So these are lasting so much longer time. So you can say mostly 8 to 9 hours they last very good. So these are the lipsticks, and these are the I used more MAC and other products, but these are the products for beginners, and these are very reasonable prices, and these are really long lasting and they are not affecting. And these are the products I wanted to share with you guys today, and I shared. Hope you also like it and make it useful for yourself and your makeup. Now let's get into removing of the makeup. So I'm gonna look so crazy and weird like a monkey whenever I remove my lipstick. So bear with me. This is how I usually do the deep cleansing, double cleansing. So let me remove my bindis, and as my hair is back, so I am good, or else you just put a band backside. So these are the cleaning pads. Usually everybody uses the same one as much as I know. So those are the products. I'm just using those cotton pads, and I always use naturally oil. Anything you can use, coconut oil or any other oil, but I feel the baby oil, Johnson & Johnson oil is really good. I feel there is no much chemicals, so that's the reason I go with that. So you can go with any flavorless coconut oil too. So let me start with my there will be extra excess, so just do the same process for twice. So if any leftovers or any area you didn't cover, they will remove properly. This is just Johnson & Johnson baby oil I'm using right now. So now if you guys can see, everything is clear and no makeup is left over. So at this moment you will just go and wash. I'll be right back. Ta-da! I'm done with my face wash, and after face wash, before I go bed, I use vitamin E oil. It gives really nice immune, and it gives nice moisturizer, and it clears the skin. Whatever the chemicals we used from morning to night, it gives really nice immune for the skin. So I just take it 2 drops, and I have a really simple night routine. So I don't have much anything. So I just apply this one, and I apply nicely gently on my skin and everywhere, including my neck. And this is what it is. I'm just tap and give some massage and ta-da, I'm ready for my bedtime. So each day I use different oils, not exactly every day same oil. Castor oil, vitamin E oil, so vitamin C if you're tanned. So this type of you can mix match which one is good for your night care routine. Just figure it out and use those things. And that's it for today. Hope you all have deep cleansing, cleaning, and all this night care routine and glow beautifully every day. See you all next Thursday. Bye bye. If you like this video, please do share with your family and friends, and don't forget to subscribe and give your heart lots of love. Bye bye.